Alright, so let's take a look at how to import course content in Canvas. So the first thing you'll want to need to do is go into the course that's going to be receiving the content. So it's either your production shell or your Sandbox course that you're going to use to build out that class. So I'm going to go into my Sandbox, and you may see the template if you're in a production course, or if you're in a Sandbox, you may see the template, and that's okay. But I'm going to go down to the very bottom of the course menu to settings. And the option to import is on the right side of the screen right here. So it'll say import content, content type. So you're going to hit select one, and you're going to select copy a Canvas course. So one of the great things about Canvas is it doesn't matter if it's a migrated Moodle course that we brought over for you, or it's a course that you've taught in a previous term here in Canvas. It's the same process. Okay, so you'll see that drop down, select a course. I hit that, and it's going to list all of the classes that you are enrolled in as an instructor. So you'll see all of those classes, and it'll even divide them out by term. So this particular account only has courses in the default term, but you'll see, fall 2019, spring 2019. You'll see as each term goes to it becomes a previous term, it'll be listed there, and then that'll make it even easier to find the correct course that you're wanting to bring over. So you'll select the course that you're going to be copying content from. I'm going to do Intro to Psychology. Okay. You can hit all content, or you can select specific content if you'd like. I'm just going to hit all content. Just one thing to note is if you hit select specific content, you have to hit the import button before it lets you actually choose that content. It's kind of strange, but that's just kind of how it works. So you hit the import button. It'll queue up. It'll start doing its thing. Hopefully it won't take too long. And then it will tell you that it is completed. And the nice thing is if there's any issues, it'll list right here. It'll say issues, give the number of issues. If there's any problems at all, it'll let you what happened. Sometimes it's helpful. Sometimes it'll just be like broken links and things like that. And that kind of helps you troubleshoot what exactly didn't transfer over if you did have any problems. So once it's transferred over, what you'll need to do is actually go to your modules. And in modules, you'll see the template is up at the top, and then below the template, you'll see your imported content. So here's my imported content related to psychology. And that's just kind of how Canvas works. When you create new things or you import content, it sticks the new stuff at the bottom, and then you can just move it around wherever you'd like it to be. Don't forget that before you decide to roll this out to students, that you do go through each page, make sure the links are still working, the activities are working, update the due dates, and all of those things that need to happen before you let your students begin the course.